All right. Hello, my good friends out there. I still remain your lecturer on chemistry on social media. My name is Dr. D.I. June. My last lecture was on the oxidation number of elements. But right away, we want to calculate how we can get these numbers of specific atoms or elements in a group of chemical formulas. That is the first one. Now, in the hydroxide ion, which is OH minus, the overall charge is -1. Those of you out there who knows the charge of hydroxyl ion, you know it is -1. So its ON, which is original number, is also -1 as a combining power. And this is obtained mathematically as follows, shown on the board. The ON of oxygen, that is O, plus the ON of H, hydrogen, is equal to the ON as the original number of hydroxyl ion. Now, we were told that oxygen exhibits -2 as ON, except in peroxides. Then hydrogen always +1, except in hydrides, remember. So now, oxygen is -2, plus hydrogen is +1. Mathematically, -2 plus 1 will give you -1. So the ON of OH is -1. That is how we have -1 as the charge or the ON of hydroxyl ion. Now let's find the ON. Of course, that is the total number of manganese atom in potassium tetraoxomanganate 7. Let us find that 7. Now here we have three elements: potassium, manganese, and then oxygen. And we are looking at the ON of manganese is 7. That's how we call it potassium tetraoxomanganate 7. So we want to calculate how to get that 7. Now look at the solution. Remember that I give you a kind of formula to remember. ON, that stands for what? Oxidation number. The formula equals the what? Algebraic sum of the return number of all the elements in a chemical formula is equal to 0. So taking that into cognizance, it means that is the potassium tetraoxomanganate 7 as a formula will be equal to 0. Now we are going to determine the ON of manganese based on this equation now. So let's go. Of course, I will not repeat myself anymore. I will just call ON. That you should know that the ON is what? Oxidation number. So fasten the situation. ON of potassium is always +1. The ON of manganese now, that is what we are looking for, is not known. The ON of oxygen, of course, you know, is always -2 in this case. Now, following this formula here, hence, potassium is +1. That's why I have this +1 here. Plus manganese, which we do not know. Plus oxygen is always -2. And here we have 4 oxygen atoms. So that -2 times 4 will be equal to what? 0. That's why we have -2 times 4 here. Then coming down, this is 1 plus manganese, not know. Then this is plus. -2 times 4 will be -8. Minus times plus will still be minus. That's why you have +1, 1 plus Mn minus 8. And it's equal to 0. It means that we are not taking this manganese out as the subject of the equation. It means 1 will cross the term of equality. -8 also cross the term of equality. So now, when you're taking manganese out, when 8 crosses the standard of equality, it becomes +8. And when this +1 crosses the standard of equality, it becomes -1. So 8 minus 1 gives you 7. So it is now called potassium tetraoxomanganate 7. So the combining power of manganese in this compound is 7. And normally, if you see it in textbooks, it's written in what? In Roman figure, VII. So please like it, comment, follow me, click on my bio, and access my YouTube link.